Okay, hello, greetings, welcome. So there's been a few questions about the February workshop on Akasha and Metatrons light. This workshop, we're going through the process of how to engage Akasha, how to release time, space, and pay attention to infinity. And then through that, we go through the evocation process of working with each of the solar deities, archangels, and the sun sphere. We align them through Akasha above the crown chakra, pay homage correctly. Once that alignment and the conditions are met, we can invite Metatron's light through the crown to pass through the three bodies, washing the mental, astral, and physical body. So that's a form of prayer, essentially. If the conditions for accessing Akasha aren't met, it's not going to happen. If the conditions for aligning the archangels of the sun sphere aren't met, it's not going to happen. So we're going to break that down, this ritual, and do an invocation of that light. We'll basically spend the 3-hour morning sessions resting the mind within that light for the whole month. And so everyone becomes very comfortable with that and revising that in the afternoon sessions. Now, the first few sessions of this of the February workshop are going to be around developing a relationship with each of these archangels and how to interact with them. The type of sacredness of consciousness that's required to interact with them, and how you separate the higher part of the mind, which resonates with the deity, where the lower part, the body, the astral, the mental, are in a state of prayer. So a part of you is humbling itself due to the higher part of you resonating with. So the vibrational scale of prayer moving through humility, devotion, there's an astral aspect to yourself which is devoted to service. It's experiencing devotion to your path of service, where the higher aspect of you is in resonance with the deity. So we generate this alignment through the vibrational scale of prayer, where the higher is in resonance and lower is reacting to that resonance. And we do that with each of the archangels, align them up the crown, invoke light. And so it's 100 hours or so of sitting within this light to get the benefits. So in this 1 month, we're going to do the 100 hours of sitting and cover all the preliminary exercises for paying homage to the archangels. Now, those of you who are going to attend this workshop need to have a solid base in working with Akasha. Now, as you know, Akasha, when you invoke it, when consciousness and Akasha touch, you see what you are. So if you've been working with your precepts, you have solid concentration, you'll see light and you'll see high frequencies. If you have not been working with your black and white mirror, or you're slightly bipolar, or you have any other psychological rhythmic issues, when Akasha is invoked, you're going to see the reverse. You're going to see lower frequencies, because that is a reflection of you. That's a reflection of your soul. It's a reflection of the work you've done on yourself. So if you're walking into an Akashic space where people are accumulating large amounts of Akasha, and you haven't done your black and white mirror, you're going to see your mirror, and your stuff is going to get invoked. So you're going to be seeing light, and you're going to be seeing dark, and it's not a fun experience for those who are untrained. So before coming to this workshop, make sure that you've done your work with Akasha, that you've done your black and white mirror. You get a good sense of your concentration capacity. And your concentration capacity is the most important, because that allows you to stabilize positive and negative side effects through concentration. If you can't concentrate well, this workshop should be put off to a later date until you develop those concentration skills. Okay, so those of you who are coming to the workshop in February, there's been a few requests for this. It's a platform exercise for ascension. It's the Hermetic model of attaining Nibbana. The door to that is through Metatron. And so we're going to spend 100 hours resting in Metatron's light. Those of you who did request this workshop, or you're planning to attend, start doing a lot of Akasha and white light work, the base entry of the Brotherhood of Light, and pay attention to that light in its infinity state. And we're just going to raise that frequency up through the archangels during this workshop. If you have any questions about it, let me know. This workshop will be held at a new venue. We've booked a building for the next 6 months from September through to February. So we have a high degree of privacy there. Any questions, you can ask Pari or myself. And put a good solid month of solid practice in before you attend. You'll get a lot more out of the workshop itself if you're able to do that. All right, thanks for your time, and see you everyone on the next video.